24 Ford Escape. And we're gonna put a GPS right in there. There's a little ledge underneath this little carpet, and I'm going to stick this puppy with some Velcro facing the sky upward, and then we're going to route the wires all the way down. And if you ever look, you ain't gonna see nothing. So that's where I'm going to put it. GPS tracking and a 24 Escape, and we're going to go find power right down there somewhere. So let's mount that first and move on. Can you see it? Can you see it? Is that white tiny little wire showing? I routed that wire all the way down, around behind this guy. See? Behind this harness. Close this puppy up, got out of the way. Behind this puppy. We're gonna come all the way down to some ignition right there. You got battery this side and ignition on this side. And we are almost in the home stretch, but we gotta find ground. So let's ground this puppy. Where? Don't know yet. I don't think this is ground, but we'll see. Let's test it and find out. That is most definitely ground. All right, yeah. And just to prove a point, here's your 12 volts. Here's your 12 volts. And we're gonna make sure this puppy turns off with the car. Ooh. Off. On. Yes. Off. Yes. There's your 12 volts. So let's mount this puppy up and attach these guys, get some power, ground it, and call it a day. Here we go. To the home stretch. Yeah. Got a little ground terminal, a little crimpers, and we're going to hit it. Woohoo! Yes, we're going to use T-taps. I don't care what you say. As many times I have to rip these things out from these guys, I'm using T-taps. Make my life so much easier. You don't have to. You can cut and strip. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut and strip. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to T-tap. I'm going to T-tap this one, and I'm going to T-tap this one. Because these guys are always prone for totaling these cars. Not that I want to jinx anyone, or do I want to wish bad on anyone, but this is probably like the fourth one I had to rip out for them, so we're going to T-tap. Uh-oh, here's the last two. I T-tapped. I don't care what you say. Yeah. So let's plug them in. Make sure the puppy works. You see it flashing? It's solid. It's got GPS. Yeah. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.